Hello, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis from Itai Levitin at Forex Live. And I think that Bitcoin is in long. We have a very important line here, which is coming from a chart you don't see here, but I put it here, which is the level of 62,195. And that's a naked POC of 3 days ago. Naked POC means it was a point of control in the volume profile of 3 days ago and untouched until now. So those naked levels, whether resistances or supports, they price a lot of times reacts to them. Participants react to them, and I'm betting that after about a 3 or 2 day decline in Bitcoin, we will. It's a good bet to go long with a short stop, and I can show an example of a stop soon. But first, going to the higher level, we still have this yellowish channel, touch points here and here, okay, these ones, and this, and these two over here. This is a double touch point. And then here we broke out, but it's a fakie and it quickly got back in. So this was basically a stop hunt, hunting the stops of the long. And then later we have this important trend line with the purple line over here, and all these touch points. There's about 3 touch points, and I will show in the zoom in what happened. I'm expecting that this will break to the upside if and when that is tested again. Okay, so when, by the way, this dotted line here is the mid channel of that yellowish channel. So if this long works and we go to do something like this, okay, then later on I'm expecting on the next one or two consecutive, there might be two, right? There might be one and then a little dip and then another one, but fairly consecutive attempts, which can be considered one attempt. I am expecting that to break to the upside, since my medium-term outlook is still bullish for Bitcoin. And let's see what's happening here. Let's get rid of this. So basically, the long is working here. Those that see this video a bit late and are looking for a possible entry, then you'll need to look at smaller time frames. But if I'm looking at this low over here, okay, this low, which is at 61,356, is it? Yeah, then that's a good enough flow for the swing traders. Okay, so my stop can go. This is just an example. So my stop can be close to that, close just over 1.5% of risk. But then my upside can be quite significant, only to that dotted line, which is the mid channel. I've got a 2.5 to retest that purple line. We don't know exactly where it will be, so this is an estimation. It's over 3.5, but the bigger one would be to, once you take partial profits over there, and of course you can take also partial profits apart these lows. But let's say you take you have 4 exits. Okay, one here at 63, just over 63, and then one near the dotted line near the 64,600, another one at the just over the 66. Later you can be riding all the way to 70, which I believe Bitcoin will get to. And that's already, we're talking about over a 9-to-1 reward versus risk for your this risk. Okay, so even if you're on a lower time frame and look at this video a bit late and try to want to join the ride at your discretion, then this is the potential, in my humble opinion. Okay, do trade Bitcoin at your own risk. And the reason I think that on the next attempt, okay, it's gonna go up, or maybe with a little handle and then up, then usually these sort of resistances need at least 3 attempts to break up. And I believe the next one will be considered like a fourth because we also have this one, which is close enough. This is a third with a nice piercing. The fourth, or maybe the consecutive fifth, should break it to the upside. Do trade at your own risk and do return to Forex Live for additional perspectives and trade well, trade wisely. Thank you.